Custard.
Hi there, I'm Mr. Gardner.
I'm Mr. Codden, and welcome back to another tutorial video on websites in HTML. We're going to be looking at additional pages and then linking the two together.
Absolutely. Okay.
So if we go back to what we've got there.
Yeah, we've got in a recent video we added a list of services, and what we'd like to do is turn the dog walking, cat feeding, and fish tank cleaning list items into links to other pages.
Okay.
First thing, make another page to link to. So we'll do that in Notepad++. There's a couple of ways you can solve this problem, but what we'll do is just click on the New button. In the top left-hand corner. See, it's added a third tab called New One, and we could type all of the HTML content for a new page.
No, that's not what I'm about.
No, let's
shortcuts.
Cheat. Yeah, all about the cheating. So go to our original page called Index.
There it is.
And we're going to copy and paste everything in the head section. So lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, so down from there to there.
Right click on it and copy.
Copy and go here. Paste.
Paste it in.
Okay.
Now, it wouldn't make sense for us to use the same body section though, because the content of the page, the bit inside the body of the page, is going to be different. So we'll start a new body tag.
Yep. I notice everything is black and white at the moment.
Yeah, it's not coloured in,
No.
and that's because we haven't saved this file yet. It's just a blank file. Now we've got a couple of ways we can tell Notepad++ to colour this in, but probably the easiest is to go to the File menu and choose Save As.
Oh, right. Like we did with the first one.
Like we did with the first file.
So this bottom box has got to be HTML again, or hypertext markup language.
That's it. And
okay, what are we calling page 2 then?
Well, you could call it page 2, or you could call it what this page is about. So
let's call it dog walking then.
Yeah.
Dog walking. .html. So save. Oh, there we go. We've got our formatting back.
Absolutely, and maybe just put in between the body tags a heading with the H1 tags to say this is the page about dog walking or something.
This will be the page about dog walking. Because that will remind me I need to add more to that page later.
H2.
That's careless.
Careful, that's fine. It's just got to be
that would
consistent.
have caused mayhem.
Right, make sure that's saved.
Yep.
And just to confirm it's in the right place, if you switch to your Windows Explorer window, your view of the files, you can see there are now 2
there you go.
Index and dog walking.
Okay, shall I open that, make sure it's okay?
Yeah, why not? Let's have a look.
No,
there you go. So, and here's an interesting thing. It's cornflower blue. The heading's in light salmon.
I noticed it was light salmon.
We've only made one style sheet, but we've used it on 2 pages, and that's the idea of cascading, that you can make one style sheet and it will cascade to all the pages you create.
And that's because of that line there, isn't it, still?
Yeah,
linking
so that's really nice. We haven't got to colour in every page we make. We can
just
bring all those colours with us.
So how do I link the two together then?
Well, now we go back to the first page.
Yep.
And you see we've got a list item on line 14 for dog walking.
Yep, there.
Okay, now what we've got to do is add an A tag and a close A tag around those words. So perhaps you can I would put them inside the list item tags.
Okay.
You could put them outside the list item tags. So I think it's clearer to, before the word dog,
right there,
start a new HTML tag.
Right.
Which is the A tag.
A.
Okay. And I tell you what, finish the tag there and put a close tag at the end of dog walking.
There?
Yeah. Now that won't actually do anything at the moment because the A tag stands for anchor, but it needs to know where to link to. So in the opening A tag, inside the chevrons, after the letter A, so if you can click, that's what I'm trying to describe. Press the spacebar. We're going to add one of these attributes. It's a bit like the source of an image. The SRC bit.
What, that bit?
Yeah, but instead of source, we need href. We had something similar in the link tag.
Yeah, I remember. So
it stands for hyperlink reference.
Yeah. Equals.
And then in speech marks, the name of either a web address or HTML page you're going to. We're going to dogwalking.html.
Dogwalking.html.
Yeah, really important. Like with the images where we had to put .jpeg, you've got to put .html at the end if that's where you're trying to link.
And it is relevant as well, isn't it? Because I've called my page dog walking with a capital D and W there, and
and that space in it as well.
Yeah, so it needs to be exactly the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is effectively it. If you press save, and if we've named everything correctly and saved it all in the right place, then when you go to the first page,
one, so
refresh it.
That. Yep. Okay.
Now you can see we've got this purple link. You can change the colour. We'll show that in a different video. But if you click on the purple link,
hey, look at that
page. Of course, the nice feature now would be to have a link on this page to go back to the other page, but we'll leave people to worry about that themselves.
Great, really enjoyed that. Thank you.
Very good.